Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a slight little unboxing for you guys real quick. It's a cable company from RUIPRO. They sent me out this for review, so good looking out. This is their latest model. This is the Gen 3 2.1 from the company. So shout out to them for sending these out for review. Good looking out, bro. Anyway, this HDMI doesn't require any kind of external power source or power outlet like some of the high-end cables out there, but it does basically the same thing for half the price. There's a branding on the cord which requires you to connect it to HDMI a specific way, so you won't get mixed up with the HDMI to display or HDMI to source. So pay attention to that or you'll run into problems. No signal delay, no judder, no stutter, no signal loss. It's thin, very thin and flexible, good for the tight spaces. It also supports high speeds than copper HDMIs. You know, copper is good for power distribution but not really good for signal transfers like that, so keep that in mind when choosing signal oriented cables. They make 10 meters, 15 meters and up to 40 meters if I'm not mistaken, so it will fit almost any long range transfer, which is good in my book basically. The cable support up to 48 gigabytes, you know that, and supports the true 8K 60, 4K 60 and 4K 120, so all the latest things basically. Full chroma subsampling to 444, so you basically got everything that you will ever need anyway. It supports a 10 and 12 bit color depth, including 8 obviously, which reduces the rich range of colors and darker blacks and brighter whites. Simply a good, well-rounded HDMI cable and perfect for today's Ultra HD projectors, TVs, and AV devices like your processor and receivers and stuff. Also ideal for any in-wall installation and shielding, so you can run it through the wall. With such a long distance with projectors, you would need fiber optic, which this cable is, and also certified to pass those requirements. It supports HDR, Dolby Vision, 3D, CEC, ARC, and eARC, all the bells and whistles, and it's also EMI free, with no signal loss or high noise in the environment. If you're looking for an excellent 2.1 cable, they will be very happy and pleased with this. Check out RUIPRO and get link in the description.